Me and Grace like that. Hi, baby.
You can be mine.
What are you doing?
This past Saturday. Because I just had one.
My pig flower.
There you go.
Okay.
I told you guys to bring backpacks. I warned you.
No, you did not. You did never came. You never said.
I missed that. I didn't
Are those
put it
yours?
together until we got out here and I went,
You
oh,
want to put
whoops.
them in this backpack?
That was bad.
You bring them to here.
I said it like 2
don't wanna
times
take them home?
yesterday, though.
I said that, yeah.
Never
That was my fault, too.
And they all walked in with no backpack.
Oh,
We should have sent a text.
I should have sent a text and I didn't. I did her say shoes, sunscreen, hat, sunglasses, you know. Yeah, you're all right. You got a hat. And your legs are covered, your arms are covered.